alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students. I wish that you are doing well and you are enjoying your times, and I wish that you and your families are in a good health. Today we are going to complete what we talked earlier about the functions. We talked about the summation function, and we can use it in different ways, like the auto sum and return the cell reference for using the sum equation. Today we are going to talk about the subtraction, multiplication, and division. It's very important to know the formula. It's very important for you to know that every equation should start with the equal sign. Uh, from the previous Excel we used earlier, we are going we want to find the final salary for each employee. We deduct like this on here, deduct amount of money from each employee for the medical insurance. I want to know how much each employee will have after deducting the medical insurance. We can adding like this equal. We should have the equal sign and we should open a bracket. I can use the cell reference or I can use the number. For you, I want you to add the cell reference. I will press on the cell, that's easy, and add the minus sign and press on the other number I want to subtract from it. You know that, or you can observe that each cell will have like a moving ribbon. This is indicate for the active cell. When I finish, I should close the bracket and press enter here. Now Ali is going to have a net salary of a final salary which for 1,030 GDs after deducting the medical insurance. We can do this for the whole employees. Again, I'm going to write minus equal sign, open a bracket. I can press on the first cell, write the sign, and the second cell, uh, uh, the second reference, close the bracket and press enter. We can do this for the whole table. This one is the subtraction using the reference cell. You can use the numbers if you want to. You can use the numbers if you want to. Equal, open a bracket. You can use the cell range like this, dragging, and you are going to have the right. Okay, you can use. After you finish, I want you to calculate the total for the whole salary using AutoSum or the range of cell. This is the division. If I want to see how to know what kind of formula, you are going to find the formula here from the formula bar. Now we are going to talk about the Now we are going to talk about something else. Here I'm having a table with the marks. Ali, Ahmed, Layla, Sahar, and Kamal have Arabic, RCT, Math. I can calculate the total by using the auto sum and press enter. Here we can find the total for 3 subjects and press enter. Now the total for the marks is 196. So I want to calculate the average. The average will be the division for the total over the number of subjects. So as I talked earlier, for the total, we find the total. Now we want the average. Again, the average will be the division for the total over the number of subjects. So it will be equal. I can write equal and open a bracket. Then I'm going to choose the total cell, which is I25, and the sample of division will be the backward slash over the number of subjects. Here I am having 3 subjects, Arabic, ICT, and Math, so it will be 3, close the bracket and press enter. In case this is the average for me, if in case I wanted to see it in the 100 or I want to add the percentage, I can either using the percentage formula from here, percentage style from the cell format, or I can use the multiplication. Will be equal, open a bracket, using the reference for the average, then multiply it by 100, press enter. Or I can use this one, percentage, here, and be like this. You will have the same question, the same answer. You can apply this for different cells. For the total, for the division, the multiplication will be equal, open a bracket, using the total, multiplied will be the star by 100, and you can find for the total or for the average. It will be the same. Now I'm heading to the end of this session. We talked about the basic equations. We talked about the summation, or basic formula, the summations, the subtract, the division, and the multiplication. For any more help or assistance, I can help you with for whatever you want. You can send me your questions. As I told you before, or as I asked you before, I want you to practice here for task number 1. I want you to write or to enter this table into your Excel and answer the questions here. What is the total number of order units? I want you to use the summation for the order units. These are the order units here, and I want you to justify your answer. I want you to write the formula you use. What is the total of the cost for the all unit? Here the cost. Also, I want you to use the summation, and the justify is writing your answer. Here I want you to justify the result, and I want to see the result in cell reference, which is H6. What is the total difference between the pen and pen set? I want you to find, this is the subtraction formula between the pen and pen set. I want you to write the right cell references and justify your answer. It's very easy, and I want you to practice. For any questions or any queries, you can contact me. All the steps here on worksheet number 5. Your booklet is with you. In case you don't have your booklet, I'm going to attach a copy for this worksheet along with the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you are in a good health, and I want you to be safe and sound. Thank you, and have a nice weekend.